Hi, we are good to be back. Sagas of couplehood. Namhlanje, we've got visitors. My far right, Gudomza, Uzaza. Hey, these two. After watching the first episode, Umbej. Hey, there was an outcry. The content is a bit biased. I'm a cheater. Why? So, balapha namhlanje, Umbej. Part 2, the response. Ari.
Masir, but now just a few words. Tisafuna ukuthi asichinjanga thina besithetha no Wayne. So right now sizova iqala ke ngoku baba ithini into. Domela Zaza.
Maybe we'll first bafake igiye. So the story was basically Umbejo. Is it necessary? Tina is a machita and other colleagues of ours who raised their concerns, but no. Why Bejuan? Why should I now give my woman a certain amount of money? And then akasebenzela akaholi imali. Why? Masenzeni into soyi-2. We go out, we spend imali soyi-2, we budget for the two of us. Why a certain chunk should just go for yourself? What is that for? How much is it supposed to be? And why?
Bazenza shy.
Aso shy, in fact. No, ngiyafuna imphendula. Umbejo is a necessity. Well, I guess for mna, I grew up kwi-era yemali yomqamelo. And umbejo is just a new name. Tina, we know imali yomqamelo. Understanding into yobana sisipho esivela kumuntu wakho mhlambe imali yokwela, understanding into yoba ulilady, there is toiletries, do you understand? Or you can buy yourself a chocolate or sweets, just to feel kamnandi after you've been emntwini wakho.
Okay, ubuza right down. So, kwani betha mlonyeni.
Unibethe emlonyeni yami. But perhaps maybe Umzo is going to go to a point of yimalini, because you're talking about sweets, you're talking about imali yokwela. I'll start from the root. Yoba, what is it? Umbejo. Umbejo, it's something that shows your capability as a man. You meet a girl, uzipholele, ahana stressi, uyamfuna, when you want to be with her. Sure, sharp, she likes you, you like her. Fine. Now, is this relationship here, only based for this umjolo, or your relationship you would want, or as a lady, think that this could go far. So I simply believe umbejo is a sign or something to show a lady that this man is a provider. He can be able to take care of me. Should I tell myself I want to spend the rest of my life with this guy, he will be able to provide for me, our family, and our kids. I believe that is umbejo, is to show when, if should we take this far, are you capable now to take care of us, right? That's point number 1. There are many instances.
Because now, because the definition zonke sisigqibe at one time usithi ke ngoxa sibuze ipoints ezithile ngokuthetha sisilibele.
Okay.
We have got one thing that I want to ask Doms. Andithi uthi le mali umqamelo imali toiletries.
Yes. Toiletries. Let me explain. Do you want me to?
Angafika question yam and umhlambi le mali yokhwela yakho iticket and what. Utheni lungathi mzo ndikhwela ngeyenge iticket lami lebhasi i900 into chile ingandile i-toilet yami ithi ndiyami lokuthengela okanye indenzela ilist lokuthengela utheni ngandibike imali.
I'm not a child, mzondithi. are you dealing with a child here, or are you dealing with a woman or a person that you think is old enough and that person has brains to go and buy things for herself?
Okay.
Particular example, particular example, Mzo, I'll make a typical example. Clayton City, imali yomqamelelo. Tina, as women, we are different from men. That will never change. And what we need, Tina, it will forever be different for any girl child. Particular example, a girl child will always need iPads. Do you need iPads from early on, from 9 years old? Do you ever need iPads? You will never. Do you understand? How much are iPads? How much are panty liners? Do you have that problem, Wena? You don't, and you will never experience that problem.
But you have parents.
Can I exactly. No, now my parents can take care of me. Quite frankly, they can be able to take care of me, Bona, and I get everything that I need from Ekhaya. Now, we need to determine Umjolo Stetangao is Umjolo from high school or primary, or is Umjolo as an adult? Because
this is simple.
As soon as Ujola, why do you want me when?
Now you've got your answer.
Commander, then the two
All right.
Okay, I want to say, I love that you have two different people here, ladies, with different
viewpoints.
Yes, with different viewpoints. I've got a different viewpoint from what Donza has, right? And it's not to say that it is wrong what she's saying. No. Imalom Kamere, I know it's something that is there. It has always been. I'm also from the era of Imalom Kamere.
Exactly.
I get it. But I'm also going to go back and say that Imalom Kamelelo should come from the heart. That's my viewpoint.
100%.
Should come from the heart. It is something, it's a gesture. I think, it's a gesture. No.
That's where probably she's got it.
That's why I'm saying we have different viewpoints. It's
I must say.
But she said,
Yeah.
But my point is that now for me, my understanding is that it should come from a place of that we are now. That's my understanding. That's what I would appreciate more. Because if I'm going to force you to give me Maliago, I'm not going to enjoy it now. This is me. And it's personal for me. It's personal. So
when in Jogo City, you don't mind if you prefer them to really give it out of their heart. And if they don't have the heart to give it, you still can continue with this.
I will continue to such an extent that...
What's it to extent?
Wait. So I will continue with the relationship. You remember, Umdu Oktandayo would think for you. Would see
Absolutely.
you, would see you when you are, would feel for you. So, not that no, I'm not expecting anybody to put themselves
Price stand.
Yeah, put price stand for me. No. But, you know what? There's one thing that Eshotayo right now, okay, now I'm derailing the topic. There's something Eshotayo
before Pumela Kuz in a relationship turns out Kumus, in case you live, then this means Kemoku, couldn't know to I go hope for him to take an amal. A good relationship. Because it's our better and it's our
No, if we know, Danny, and you don't have money, you're not even supposed to be looking at women. Stay home, sleep inside your bed with your blankets and be there. No,
love is not about
I understand. We're gonna talk about love. Let's talk about love, ne? Primarily, let's talk about men in love. A man just sort of is a man. No matter whatever you can say as a woman, understanding the fact, what is a man? A man, first of all, Tina, as women, we have moved we are the ones who come first at falling in love before men. A man is the one who needs to fall in love with you first.
Yes, that's important.
And your man needs to love you more than you love him.
You love them.
That's point number one. A man is a provider. Secondly, then how do you show that you are a provider? It goes to the point where I was saying in Joyobana, from the relationship of Umjolo, that's where I need to see, okay, this man is a provider. He will take care of me. Nabantwana bam, should I get into a serious relationship and get married with him?
Okay, I'm not
Just hold on. Just hold on,
What
sir.
happens? Donza. What happens? Be provider. Why my provider? What Tananayo? What chata? Why lose Is not a provider?
No, that's not the case. That is not the case. I'm not saying if your man that you love loses a job, he is not a provider. A very intelligent woman would know that this guy has shown me over and over that he is the head of this house and he's capable. And yet, Nam as a woman, I would have to have strength so that he can get up to his feet and work together. And he shouldn't be seen from like outside that he doesn't have what he had.
Can I bring
Do you
something
understand?
up? So times have changed, guys. Times have changed. So if we are going to be truthful to ourselves, right? If we are going to say that times have changed, things have changed, women are working, men are working.
Yeah.
And we are all going to cook in the house. I'm just making an example. We're all going to cook in the house. We're all going to clean in the house. We are all going to... So, where's the balance? So, where is the balance? Yeah. So, I want to understand where is the balance, because my understanding is that personally, I believe that in a relationship, I don't want to bring 50%, no. I don't want you to bring 50%, I bring it. No, I bring my 100%. I want to bring myself as me, as 100% as a whole, right? And you must bring your whole self. Because if you are going to give me 50% of yourself, then we are going to be like we are going to lose some way. Because we are not putting ourselves out there. We are not showing ourselves that we want to be here, right? Now, putting ourselves 100%, both of us, this means everything, financially and otherwise. We need to put down our finances on the table. That's my understanding.
Zaza, when you are in a marriage state.
This is not a marriage state.
So when
you are in a committed, yes. Okay. If you are in a committed relationship, if you get to a space where you say, I'm sitting down with you and we're saying that we are in a committed relationship, we are in a partnership, we want to do this. So where do we go from here? My understanding is that I don't want your money, and if it's personal to me.
Because when you're in support of it,
I am in support of him. Gesture. It's a gesture. But
just on that point of gesture, you gesture ends on doping to a man.
Listen, that's where I'm going. Listen, I want to go there. I want to say to you, when I say we bring 100% in, I'm saying that when you are destitute, you must know that uzaza ukhona to save me, right? If gesture that I bring to my man is the same gifts that you are giving me, not the same gifts, right? But gifts, if you are a gift-giving person, if your love language, so it goes back to a love language.
Yeah.
Because my understanding is when you are giving money to me, it means that you are rendering a service to me as your partner.
Not necessarily though.
No. Yes, contradict because
it's a service of love. It's an act of love.
Wait for it.
Okay, wait. It's an act of love.
Love language.
It's an act of
love language. it means that it's your way of showing love, right?
Yes.
Nina, it seems like sesinyanzela into yoba indoda
Awucabanga.
soloko ikhuphe imali
No,
as a
I
love
never
language.
said that.
No.
I said I acknowledge umjolo. I acknowledge umbejo. It's something that I know it has always been there. I am also from the era of umjolo.
Yeah,
That's what I
umbejo,
said.
yeah.
You're often umbejo, sorry. So what I said is that I acknowledge it and I know it is there. But I have a different, I even said from the beginning that I'm glad that we are here, both of us, because I've got a different viewpoint from what Domza has. So my point of view is that you need to bring, if you are in a committed relationship, but we need to know where we are. We can't just throw stuff
But
at people.
would you date a brokest nigga?
What do you mean is a broke?
I'll never date a
No,
broke
man.
nigga.
She clearly say
I'll never date a broke nigga.
Yeah, she clearly
What is
say.
a brokest nigga?
Into enamali.
Yeah, look at that.
Uthini unganamali kaloku?
Wow.
What are your prospects?
Circumstances.
Guys, wait.
I'm not working.
You're not working.
Yeah.
I'm not working. I don't have money and anaplan and zazi banza njani.
Yeah.
So Yimake, what I want to understand,
But
what are your prospects?
Yeah.
Nothing,
Wait,
because
what are your prospects?
he doesn't have a plan.
Kodwa ndiyakuthanda zazi.
What are your prospects?
He's
I
making.
don't-
How do you not have a plan as a
We
person?
are in COVID.
That's what I'm trying
What
to
are
say.
your prospects?
Go to the point.
I'm asking what are the prospects?
Nothing.
Where do we have goals? All of us.
Yeah.
Guys, you can never be a human being.
I want to
As
be
they
astronaut. I want to be astronaut. I don't even know how I'm gonna start it.
Yeah,
But
that's
ndiyakuthanda.
yeah.
We are intended. Do I love you back? That's the question
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
We need to first start.
That's what we are asking.
Yima kaloku.
Yeah.
Yima.
Why into baba?
Man, guys,
I'm
wait.
not an astronaut
wait.
yet.
Seems to be
Wait.
difficult.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Now, I meet a person, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what they do.
Yeah.
Let's talk from that point. I meet a person, I don't know what they do. We talk, we get to an engagement. Like we get deep, we connect. We connect. When I connect with you, I also want to know, Mana, what are your goals? Like, what do you want to see happen in your life and all that? If I see that, okay, this person wants to be committed and all that. So now we will talk deeper and we will talk, and I will understand where you are mentally. Because that's what- we just met.
Okay.
This is the mid stage.
Okay.
We just met. Like, yeah. So when we just met and I want to know, what are your prospects? What do you want to see happen in your life? Because everybody has prospects.
Yeah.
Akho mntu uzohlala okay ukuba ungumuntu ohleli ongena prospects ongazazi into yobana in the next 2 years at least I want to see myself, I want to see this change. It doesn't have to be a drastic change in your life, but it has to be a change. Because if you are going to have a life that has no change totally, then I can't be with that person. For me, it's a connection, right? And it's what's your vision? What do you want? Do we have the same vision going on?
Futhi kaloku ndilinde imali yengozi.
My goodness.
Yeah, I can
Mamela, Zaza, I just want to come in, guys. When it comes to me, Zaza, I will never date a guy that is not working.
Have you
Why?
ever loved,
Ask me why.
have you ever loved?
Because I've dated someone, he was not working, and then he found an internship. So he,
No, it's a marker.
I am not gonna call names. So did. And then this was a long time ago. this was a long time ago. So since the internship, he was done and out. He didn't have money. Like sometimes he didn't have money to go to work. I'll help him out. Comes, he's hungry on Sunday. Babes, please, money. Tilambile, do your things, your usual thing. I'll cook up a storm for him. Like, Tina, how we are. We will make sure that it's nice, warm, kumnandi. Yabo. I'll do things and buy things. And coming from my previous relationship where I was taken care of, do you understand me? So sometimes we as women, we don't necessarily put a stamp or a stop or a full stop that I'm just gonna do only guys that I know that there is a potential. You also want to give other people a benefit of a doubt that, and quite frankly, what you were saying, that way you see that there is a potential, but when I didn't say, you didn't say in that way you see that there is a potential. You said you would ask someone if they've got a drive, they've got a plan, and you think that they could execute that plan. Yeah. So, which is, I understood you in what you were trying to say in a sense. So I'll see, this guy has got a potential, and the space that he's working at, okay, there is a potential. And I also did my thing because I'm a performer. Hey, fine, time flies, boom. This guy gets a job, and I go overseas. I come back. When I come back, 2 months in SA, I get an injury, and I'm a performer. My salary depends on me performing. This guy gets a job. I come back. He comes around a few times. And the relationship is not the same there. Well, fine. Time flies. Tell him I got injured at work. My my tendon, Achilles, got ruptured completely. I couldn't work, and I had a gig. I was gonna go. This country that's close to Brazil, but I didn't get to go. Fine. Argentina. I call him, he comes to see me in Yannick. Hey, babe, yo, why do you look like this? Yo, your hair, yo, I got a job. Yo, now I'm earning 20,000. Yo, my life, please, I'm gonna send you money. Oh, come, hi, I'll give you money. Fine. Time goes by, and I'm thinking, yo, Mduan promised me and said he will give me that money. Just hold on, guys.
No, I'm saying, can I be next?
Okay. And he said he will give me that money. Yo, I call him, boom. Whole entire December, the whole entire January, February. I was like, oh, okay. That means this guy was just here until he gets his breakthrough. Yes. And then that's when I realized that for me, I will never take any man who is down and out. I promise myself, because I got so hurt. I got so hurt that I was like, no, I don't deserve that. In fact, I don't deserve that space. At the end of the day, I did not deserve that in any case. I was supposed to have gotten a better man. He was not the man that I thought he was, right? So for me, that's my experience.
Hardened you.
Yes, that is. It has not hardened me. I'm not bitter.
I'm not hardened you in the sense of you accepting a person that has potential.
Yes.
You don't deal with potential anymore.
I don't.
Yes, that's what I'm saying to you. So you might get put even My point is this now. So our biggest thing is that we tend to not communicate. Right? So also specifically as human beings. So what happens is we get into a relationship. We don't sit down and talk about our expectations. Because my biggest thing, my understanding is that when you decide to get into a relationship, we need to learn to talk about our expectations. And remember, expectations, yes, whatever stage that you decide to be committed to each other. Doesn't matter. No, but
question.
Yo, I got questions. I don't get a chance.
So, my point is going to back to what you're saying. So now you get into a relationship with a person, and you are saying that what happened is this person was down and out, and you had money. You helped. But did you guys talk about what is it that you guys want to see happen?
Why do you think that we didn't talk about this because just hold on, because what we did spoke about was, babes, please pray for me. I'm applying for opportunities. You know, when things are good to me, what you have done for me, I'll do the same for you. Do you understand?
We're not talking about expectations, guys. There's a communication.
No, I can't say to someone, so once you get a job, you must know you must pay me back.
No, it's not about paying you back.
No, it should be my friend, it should be as a man, you know where have you been, you know when your background, what you've gone through for when to think that now once you have something you're just gonna run.
I'm playing devil's advocate.
Exactly, my friend. We can have a
conversation. Not logic for everybody, guys.
We tell a potential, then you ask. You can date a man that doesn't have money, but you first have to find out that potential. What is that potential? Is it a potential to make money in the future?
Wait.
Oh, so yes, exactly.
Wait, guys. Did I say it's about potential? I said connection.
So
what is it? What are your prospects?
Why is it important to you?
Listen, can't America long does. And this will tell a tongue wako, depend sense imali, when you expect him number and Quenzele.
Okay.
I was Quenzel kids.
Exactly.
That's my point. So I've got kids. So now you're not going to be my burden. So if you earn your own money, then you are going to be your own person.
Yeah.
So I cannot love you if I don't earn my own money.
On different team.
Okay.
You can love me, but I'm also I cannot have only do you get me?
Yeah.
Now I've made that decision already. It's a decision made for me. So I am not going to.
But meaning it's the same decision, which means it goes to the point of when you're not gonna take care of him because he doesn't have money. That's
what I'm saying.
Exactly. So that means actually you would look into more to the person who has money now.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Not for
so when you don't want to be badgered.
Exactly. Is a personal thing for a person. So you need to know
when you be happy that your man is not spoiling
you. Accept her for a
I did not imagine that
every 2 months.
Yeah, don't like
20
rand. So how like in this economy is I think 20 rand.
That's all.
No, I want to understand. 20 rand I think I hear you come with it. Guys, I want to understand.
We hear you, Zaza. We hear you.
Imagine that actually.
Zaza, in fact, you're saying the same thing that I'm saying.
Imagine
you just want to go in circles. You're going in circles. You're saying exactly what I'm saying. That Zaza.
Imagine that actually economy. 20 rand right.
So nigga come deny.
20 rand imagine.
It's fine. Okay, because it's a song.
Exactly. But play economy, money right from Becho.
And I'm money right enough from Becho, guys. I don't want to lie to you.
What am I using car?
No, I don't know. A gesture. You can even come with bread, in fact, for a man. You're making me afraid.
And there's no changes in the bedroom, Auntie. As fully out to
guys, wait.
Because women have got that tendency, if I'll page to this level.
I love to live at my own bed because I'm dancing no man and change as a person. Guys, I'm not okay, and perhaps
guys, let's take it back because Zaza, I think now we're gonna chase the tail. So we've never seen Zile must take a girlfriend allowance. And allowance, that means that is the expectation that you expect from me as a child. It's an allowance. What are you going to chase the tail?
So, because Zaza is going in circles, Zaza.
What is
When
what?
Sazane,
Girlfriend,
my friend, I'll be honest. Just how to Zaza Wena, my friend, you would appreciate Umjolo. You have mentioned that over and over. But looking at you, ne, as a woman, how you are, how you do things, how you carry yourself, what you do, going out with your friends, having fun, like your whole entire life. Should your man that loves you dearly says, ne, I want to give you this money, this is my gesture, this is my love language. Other men do understand that when they give you, when you are their girlfriend, you are their image. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I get you, yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? You are their image.
Now,
because when you step out of your home or out of their home, how you are perceived or how you look, it's them. How weak they are. Do you understand? That is another thing that shows that's how other men do spoil, because they have an understanding of that. This is my woman. When she steps out of the home, this is how I want her to look. Then we get to a point where now, seeing this man, Zoe is asking, where now, how much?
So Domza Image, so let me show you, guys, it's a gesture. So it goes back to what you are saying exactly, that umntu wenza into ayibona into kubana iyadingeka, right? For yena ubana okanye uyakwazi uyenza yena.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now what I'm saying is umntu uzakwenza gesture yakhe and I'll accept a gesture yomntu.
If he does nothing,
Guys, I've been quiet for a long time.
Yeah.
we are quiet.
You wonder why I'm quiet? We brought the two of you so that you give us the female version of understanding Umbejo. But what is happening is the two of you are not in agreement.
No,
Of
at
course,
some point.
she feels it's supposed to be done in this manner. You feel, nah, Zaza, you're going in circles. And now the debate is actually between the two of you, of which we were supposed to be debating with the two of you. This is where I'm actually lost. I don't know if I should support her or I should support you.
No, you don't need to support me.
No, I need to give an input. But now, so can you
Whatever
guys?
girl sits well with you, you should be supporting
No.
into a thing now.
So far, I wanna. You two should agree to a certain.
Yeah, but besides that, I don't think because they were just defining now. It was a definition. Uzaza is defining it in a different way. Udomza defines it in a different way, but it's the same, but it's got different requirements.
So is it a fair statement? By the end of the day, the two of them they expect Umbejo.
Exactly.
Yes.
But
So
my
we
main
agree.
now the question is, Masif, let's take it a notch up. We are Pangela Domza.
Yeah.
You earn 50,000. Mna ndiya Pangela earn 15,000. 1.5. Then I'm still got 15,000 yam. Nega ndiyonika umuntu o earn 50,000. A little bit of something.
Of course. Of course.
But
No, I'm honest. I'm honest.
Of course. But when
So
what you
Ima,
do for me.
that's how the did it. So when whether I earn 50,000 or you earn 15,000, so mna must I give you my money?
I'm not saying.
So when I don't want to give me, you don't want to give nothing.
I'm not saying I don't want to give anything.
Exactly, but what is the question? Why are you asking the question?
But Joe,
Just hold on.
Masid did 5,000 is girlfriend allowance.
Yeah.
No. That means 33% of my salary.
Yeah,
no.
but it I understand. Absolutely understand. That's why Yabona, when it comes to Umjolo, there is a league. You check the people who are in your league.
So,
You check the people.
is there a difference now with the way you are speaking?
No, I'm just
with
saying.
the woman who is selling Long Street?
No, just hold on.
What's the difference?
Imagine guys,
It's not like that.
No,
Just hold on.
what's the
I just want
difference?
to wait now. I just want to rectify you quickly. Umbejo has got nothing to do with selling nothing. A woman is a prize. My darling, you are a man. You need the juice from the woman. Do you have your own juice?
Which juice?
Do you have the juice?
Well, I'm not. Which
Can
juice?
you
I
make-
might have the juice.
Can you make children, Wena? You need a woman. As a man, you need a woman.
That's what I'm saying.
No,
There's a woman in
let
Long
us be
Street.
clear.
There's a woman in Long Street.
Go to Long Street, buy
Yes.
at Long Street, but that woman in Long Street does not have my class, and that woman at Long Street is not me.
I see
Go
what now
get
they are
them.
there. As in, got,
Go get them then, if that's the case.
oh, but man, I was not saying I want to go and get them. I wanted to know, is there a difference?
There is a difference because I don't see anything wrong, you as my man, spoiling me.
Guys,
Understanding this, just hold on. A woman has got many needs than a man. First of all, I would say
I was also just saying, when you earn 50,000 and earn 50,
it doesn't matter. Your money as a man is my money. My money is my money. Finish.
guys,
they don't need to shut it because I don't get it and the pay
So,
water.
there's this saying that goes,
Just hold on, guys. I want to speak about this. There's a saying or a perspective or a new thing that men thinks that when you do give imali or umbhejo, you are buying nothing. I'm the prize here. You don't have what I have. You have a house, I'll make that house a home. You don't have those capabilities as a man. Can you?
But
But what?
Can I ask something quickly?
there are a lot of
So,
you outside there.
I want to say
Exactly. Go and get the one that you think is for you. Coming back to what Mzoti was saying, that I'm earning 50,000.
I think that's where that's where the line needs to be drawn, guys. We need to learn to go to people that we agree with.
standard.
No, not standards, but that we agree with things that we talk about. Remember, also, now I say that umuntu okuthandayo will do into afuna uyenza.
For when? Exactly. Whether he earns 15,000 and whether you earn 50,000. It has got nothing to do that.
It has nothing to do
With that, with the money that she earns as a
I
woman.
want to do anything for you as a man.
As a man, I would, yes, 100%.
That's not dumb, right? That's Zaza, right? So if I understand what we are talking about here is that Utando is supposed to lead.
Yeah.
It's supposed to lead us. Not,
Yeah.
that's what.
But that's not what is happening.
That's not what
No, Yima. Hence, I'm saying
It's nothing to do with love.
It doesn't mean that there is no love. What are you about your petrol? Guys, I can love you with nothing, Mosi.
Understand now where I say what I say. What I mean.
I can love you with nothing, not it. It has got nothing to do with petrol. There is just, we need to separate. Guys, let's rectify it quickly. We need to separate the two. There is love and then there is petrol. Those are two different things.
Okay.
I can love you. I can love you.
Guys, wait. It goes back.
No.
Guys, can I finish? So it goes back to what I'm saying, that we need to learn to get into spaces and realize that this is not my person. This person,
Okay.
yes,
How?
Yiman, guys, wait. When you don't agree, Yiman, kaloku uthi udomza. Umuntu xa engakubheji ayingumuntu wakho, right? Like we're not.
You're not your league.
Yeah, you're not in it. So
No,
that's when we need to learn.
I want to say that properly when you are done.
Okay, sure. We need to learn to say that Umzo is not my person because he is not in my league. He can't better me, right? And move on. And it's a Umzo. See everything that can better us. Do you get me?
Yeah.
And then if you are comfortable with whatever that you are comfortable with, then we need to learn to come. In Naki is that there is so much generalization.
Yeah.
For me, it flaws the whole pool of
uzawuthetha ngo-doms ndifuna nje uqonde enye into andithi usithi uthetha into yoba ngaba okay this guy umzo he doesn't have much money akazukwazi ukubheja you move on to the next person.
I'm not saying move on to the next
No,
one.
no,
I'm
no.
saying move
No,
on
that's-
to the person that is in your league as
As umzo wena mntu ufuna ubhejwa le
Yebantwini bakho that can better you.
kaloku it's the guy that makes the approach.
Yeah, not these days. Guys, we need to
okay.
learn.
All right.
Yeah.
That's a topic. That's a topic for another day. But the point that I'm trying to make is this guy, and you try it up, okay, okay, Wayne maybe is your league. You move on to Wayne. Suddenly there's somebody who's higher than Wayne in terms of finances.
Yeah.
Now I'm lower. You are like, no, you're not my type. You go to Wayne. Wayne doesn't have much. Where is love in all of this? Because you guys mentioned flimsily about love, but I don't see you talking anything about love anymore.
I'll get into love, Matia.
Yeah?
I'll make a typical example. A woman is how a woman is, guys. You guys will never understand. how we get to love. We
a relationship.
just hold on. No, I just want to let them know how we see love or how we identify love. Tina, I can meet you.
Yes, the finance.
No, it's not about money. Just hold on.
No, you clearly said that Dom's in the
No, I'm not saying that. I want you to understand something. Hence, I said to you, there's two topics that you are trying to. There are two topics that you're trying to bring about.
Right.
Love, and being spoiled. So those are two things.
Okay.
I can love. A man can love.
Separate
That's
to each
you.
other.
No, but what I'm trying to say, you can have a man. He's got money, he's rich, but he doesn't spoil you. And then you still
He doesn't love you.
And what did you just say? What did you just say now?
I was spoiled because of time.
Exactly. Because why, my friend? How a man is? A man when he loves you. Just
Took you so long to get.
she is being honest.
Who does? She was cutting to the close.
She is honest. She is very honest. A man that loves you, Zaza.
Did you not
A man that loves
maybe
you
I didn't
will
say
spoil you. He will make sure that you have
time,
everything that you need.
That's a man who's buying you.
No, that's the
He
problem.
money.
He is not buying you in any way.
Man,
Just hold on.
I'm the man, Galo, I'm telling you.
No, he is not buying you in any way. But he just wants to make sure that you are happy and women
Man,
get happy. Money makes women happy. No matter what.
Spoiling
That's
has
why
different dynamics.
Men have got a budget to make women
Spoiling
happy.
is different.
Yeah, a broke man must just stay home. As
So,
I
guys,
said,
we need to
a broke man must just stay home at his mother's house and sleep and leave women alone.
Because Gogo, you are taking this out of proportion. So there's dynamics to everything.
Who is taking
Remember,
it out of proportion?
you
Is it
guys are
man?
saying Nini. Because you're
Hold on.
saying that wait.
Hold on.
Just wait. Guys,
You're sleep.
Uqala bazenza ngathi ngu
Yeah.
Cinderella kancinci.
Cinderella.
Wavuka uSasha Fierce. Wavuka uSasha Fierce. Into lena uSasha Fierce.
When I want to explain, do you know what I figured out? Do you know what? Do you know how I figured out what is umbejo? Literal meaning of umbejo is umbejo is an apology of ukufeba that you're going to do in advance.
Yes, don't know.
You are going to feba and I must forgive you. How do I forgive? I'll never forgive you now. If you are a man, you don't spoil me. But as a woman, if I know that this man takes care of me, takes care of me, this man, just hold on, guys. If I know, women will agree with me on this one. A lot of women, quite frankly, if you're a woman, again, unale o, and aga bitch. Right? And then he wants ufuna ufeba but awuna mali. Do you understand? These two things that you want to do. Awuna mali uyafeba and ufuna i-apology. Ufuna uxolelwa. I'm calling you on what grounds? For what?
Represent Manina.
I don't represent them right now.
No, but
Guys, now I'm lost now. What are you talking about?
No,
Guys,
keep asking
basically what she's saying is there has to be an exchange program here.
You might
There's no exchange program when over yo.
No, I mean,
guys, wait. I want to.
what about sex? Where's sex out for this?
I'm going sex is the last thing.
Not 85%. Human guys, wait.
On a man's opinion, sex is the first thing.
Oh, that's their own man. So me. Okay, so that means men want sex, then women want money. So that means they're even. So there is no point why we have this conversation. I don't agree with that.
So
I don't agree. There's got nothing to see now.
We're gonna cancel this. It's over.
When we see men, first of all, it's not only about money. I want to rectify you. It's not only about money. Women look at a lot of things.
Like what?
Hence I've mentioned, is this guy worth my time? Is this guy
You know,
literally?
what does worth my time mean? Is it finances?
It's
or
no, my time individual. Human guys is individual to each person. Guys, wait. So you need to know.
What
Yes,
what does
for
it
her.
mean?
Yeah.
Worth your time?
My time is you okay, yeah, you call me, you want to text me, you want to meet up, you want to
What-
meet for lunch.
what-
That's my time.
But
Me texting you.
Uzaba satisfied njani ukuthi I'm worth your time? What's gonna tell you ukuthi yeah, it's worth my time?
Because you are active in
Exactly.
doing what
You are
And then
active.
what about finance?
Obviously, finance are part of the problem. When you take me to a date, that is what are you gonna spend? It's money. So we're supposed to look at each other. And we look at each other. Exactly.
I'm gonna buy something.
Exactly.
I'm gonna spend.
Isn't that umbejo? Part of umbejo.
Yeah.
But before
You call it
Guys, you guys are looking
Wait.
just hold on, guys. You guys are looking at umbejo
You call it budgetary recruitment. You call it budgetary recruitment.
Guys, you guys are looking at umbejo in one perspective, ne? As imali, you guys are looking. You don't understand that when you send me flowers at work, that's for me umbejo. That makes me happy.
No,
Small thing.
that would be nice. That's something nice.
Gestures.
You guys,
That is gestures.
you guys.
I'm up for gestures, but
You guys are looking at this in a narrow-minded.
At what point do you give your man sex? After meeting him, you go to your feeler. At what point do you think?
It's not about a person. It's not like I call individual. It's an individual. No, I think it's an individual.
It is an individual thing. When you think that,
No.
Also, majorisha
This, no, yeah,
That's what I wanted to say.
No, there's something as will.
Yeah, there's somewhere I'm leading to.
He's leading to something. I'll give you a chance.
Okay.
There's again. You met this guy, you're talking, you start texting, you go on a date, first date, you try, because you don't know this person, eh? You're trying to gather in your back. Me and this person, do we have the same interests? Are we aligning? Is this guy my vibe?
How long does that take you?
It just depends. I can't say how long.
How was the shortest? How much? When did you ever? Okay, give me the shortest time you've managed to discover somebody and you felt. I think like is it 2 weeks? Is it 2 months?
It just hold on. It just depends. So hence I'm saying it just depends from person to person because you don't know this person. First of all, like sometimes you can be chatting to someone and feel like, this person's not my vibe. But I'm gonna give you this. Just hold on. Text wise, this person is definitely not my vibe. Then you meet a person in person as cake and cake. Then you feel like, Tina, we are balancing. And this guy is talkative. We are able to talk. I know we've got some things common. Do you understand?
You actually escaped from where I wanted you to go and further on.
No, because I got.
But be off the question. Okay, let me actually go on another.
No, ask the question again because maybe I didn't hear the question clearly.
What's your take on if you nature and a quick roof?
Yeah.
Will you agree with Javanda Group by winning?
Why are we nana? But none of my business. I'm not in that space.
Okay,
yes?
okay. All good. Sfigently means Lale, all good. The next thing was starting the Limal Camel. Maybe she was even the one who was driving for you. You were even at her place. Then actually saying,
and yes, because I've never experienced that, and we know, so I would not speak on behalf of the people who have done that because and we know.
But you know literally not. But you mentioned Imali Kamel.
Yes, Imali Kamel. Imali if man from your boyfriend.
Oh, but this was not my girlfriend who is asking for Imali Kamel and we met last night. But
exactly.
That's something that I've not experienced. I've never been winner.
So that is a different perspective.
Hence, I've never been winner, and I'll never allow myself to be winner.
This man is for the same use to you women. This one who was what we know for overnight and we're now with your boyfriend. You request the same amount of money towards yourselves.
Why are you requesting first? Now I want to understand the request. Why am I going to be requesting the money?
That's the thing. Some of us, we don't ask for the money. And if they see how we are, then they give us the money because they think that we deserve it. Hence, I'm saying then it gets to the point of the league. The people who are in your league, they would know that this is a woman. She's got needs. She's got eyelashes on. She's got nails on. She likes looking pretty. He sees you, who you are. Then he doesn't have a need. Is this woman worth better? He knows he needs to. It's something that he needs to do.
But guys, you know what?
And then a man who thinks that that's he is not going to be better, and why must he better? And what does this woman bring to the table? Those are the circles that I, for one, know that I don't go to. Those are the circles that I don't want to associate myself.
I'll tell you the truth. This love that you guys are talking about doesn't exist anymore. It
does exist.
No.
No, that's your perspective.
No,
sure. That's just saying when I'm not, I don't do that because you are generalizing. You are saying this love does not exist, and it does exist.
You mentioned a certain term that she did not even agree as a woman. So some people might not agree, but that's how I'm putting it in some circles.
I want to ratify you though. Don't say that this love, that such love does not exist. It does exist. But when you have not
allow me to finish here with the term that I'm saying, why I'm saying this love does not exist.
Yeah.
I want a man today, they look at what they see, and if they're happy with what they see, they make a move. And when they make a move, their budget, we are budgeting. There's a budget in every man's life.
What they see,
where
according to the board,
and then there's no love.
And then the body does not produce it.
Guys,
I don't care about to go on, but I need to address this thing that you are talking about. And going now. Anyway, my point is that is that they look at the outer person at the meeting and they deal with that.
Which is true. No. They actually look at the first appearance. Yes. It counts. It counts.
All right. Look, guys. Maybe that's where it starts. And I look at you and I'm like, Domza, she's perfect. I like her and stuff. And I go, I make my move. When I make my move, we have a chit chat there, and then so what are you doing? This is what I'm doing. And all of that. Can I buy you a drink? Yes, sure. What do you drink? Ice pears. And I'm like,
yeah, right there and there. When she says ice pears, that's why. Hence I said, if you say that means she's not in your league. But
and that guy's gonna buy you an astropers. It's not even your league. He's on a mission.
I want to go
that's where you are wrong. You never know. No, you are telling me you don't know. You buy an astropers. It doesn't mean nothing.
I want to go back to my youth.
That's why we've got money in our bank account. When you buy an astropers, when you want your astropers, so if you've got something to say or you want something because you bought astropers, that's why I say, what is your bank account number so that we can be able to transfer you your money back, my dear darling. So it has got nothing to do with that.
My understanding and my philosophy and how I operate. I don't ask for things from people that I cannot afford myself.
Exactly, my baby. That's the thing that
I'm going to say to
get right.
I'm doing astropers because I afford the astropers for myself. Right now, and then wait,
no.
So I'm not enjoying this.
No. Wait.
It's not going to your.
Zaza. You just said something. You cannot ask something from someone that you cannot afford for yourself.
Exactly.
Just hold on right there. Can you afford to give yourself 1,000 rand every month?
I've never asked anyone for 1,000.
No. You yourself giving it to yourself
Yeah.
I give it to myself.
Exactly.
all the time.
Yes.
Can you afford that one?
Exactly.
Then apha kuwe ke ngoku.
No, kaloku.
Andithanda ndicela mali yam ndike kodwa.
No, you just say it, guys. You need Zimon Bejo.
No. When you are asking Zodidi,
Azange ndicela mali yam.
Zodidi, when you are asking Zodidi,
I don't ask.
You're chasing a tail now.
just hold on, my friend.
Right.
Zodidi, when you are asking, can you give yourself 1,000 rand? For sure, I can give myself 1,000 rand. Like easily give myself 1,000 rand. But when can you give me 1,000 rand?
Ifunela ntoni kum?
No, I want yours.
Why?
Because yours is mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Siyathandana.
Setandani. I'm your
Wena
woman.
ukwazi unika 1,000 rand.
When I step out of the door, I represent you. I'm your
What about
Represent abantu.
What
you are the head of the home, Galu. You are the head of the household.
Oh, this is double standard.
It's not double standard. You are the man.
Uh-uh.
You are supposed to provide.
I do provide a
And don't agree. Don't
If you don't agree, my friend, it's fine. But I'm saying, my friend.
No, I'm saying I understand you.
But what I'm saying,
I don't agree.
it's fine, my friend. You don't have to agree. What I'm trying to say is,
I mean-
what it is saying, is saying, I've got 1,000 rand and can I afford myself? I said, yes, I can afford myself for sure. And he's asking, why do I want his 1,000 rand? His 1,000 rand is to maintain me. I have the things that I had before. That I can do for myself. When are you gonna get? What are you gonna get into my life and do? Nothing.
I'm gonna love you.
You gonna love me?
Exactly.
With your heart.
Yes.
I've been loved before.
And
I've
you
been
get your hands
I've
We
been
have
loved.
kids.
I've been
We have a
loved.
home.
You have a home.
Yeah.
I want to
You get
mention
your
one.
hands.
I want to mention one thing, guys. Do you know? I'll say this over and over. You guys think that you
What else do you want?
you have been disputing ngom bejo always. That's why you guys get into marriages. You marry abantwana babantu, and then the only thing that you think that you can do is to buy groceries, and then you think that you are the man.
What else can I do?
You are nothing. You are no man. As a provider, if you are man enough, you know how to take care of your woman.
Are you not working?
I'm working.
So where is your money going?
My money is to take care of this. Tina,
Take of what?
just hold on.
Think of what?
If Isonga Sipelile, who pops out there, I'll never ask you for money for bread. I'll take it out from my money. If there's no milk, I'll take it out from my money. That's where that money of Umbejo goes to.
I'm paying rent.
Exactly.
No, Johnson, no.
Mamela, you are paid. Just on
I'm paying bond.
Yima
I disagree.
Guys, have you thought about what does a
And
man
even
bring
married you,
outside?
Nabulobola Futlamali.
Because now my thinking is that who are you going to be man? So are you going to give it? Because what I need personally is emotional support more than money. Hey guys, money can do whatever.
So that means you two are not in the
I said so, but it's a combination of it's fine.
It's a combination.
I'm not
can give you my friend. I agree with you fully, my friend. Yes,
right? But if point jam is that emotional support is way more than money.
Yo.
For me personally, emotional support is way more than money.
Do you think my friend,
you can say whatever.
my friend, man, you don't know, man. He will not give you emotional support without the money. So what's the point? He's not giving you emotional support. He's not giving you money.
The Bible says we need to.
La podcast uke wathi way I podcast amachair athi ngoku ngcono ukhale kwi range rover.
Hayi, ndikhala kuyo. Exactly, they don't have.
Because you don't have it for yourself.
Exactly.
You don't know what is emotional support in fact.
So what's the point?
So what are we going to do? Something.
So what do you give in exchange out of all this? Okay, your badge, everything is fine. What are you giving me in exchange? What are you there? What are you bringing to the table?
Emotional support is way more important. So I'll bring you emotional support, and I want emotional support.
What about sex and other things?
Man, guys,
That's part of the relationship, Mos.
you guys think that,
What can be for you?
you guys just put, you guys just put,
So, I'm joining and taking out.
man, guys, you guys just put, just guys, man, one thing. Maybe you guys will be clear, especially way. You guys put Umbejo alone and put love and love and money. Just hold on. You put Umbejo here, and then you put love, sex, and affection and everything here. It doesn't go like that. It's a combination of, because when you meet a woman, you want a combination of.
Do you agree?
See, now we want a combination of. It's a combination of
so we're getting
everything.
somewhere.
Hence, I'm saying to you guys, in your
I said,
if you think you're just gonna bring the Sunday alone, it's not gonna work.
Let's have one conversation. Yeah, I think focal point for the sake of you viewers.
Oh, bona wa iba incokola zabo. No, I was just, if Sunday alone does not work, it's a combination of. Hence, I said to you guys initially, as being spontaneous, flowers and chocolates at work. That is
I'm saying sex is not important now.
no, just hold on. We said, wait. It's a combination of a woman looks for Tina guys is emotional beings. We want love.
Guys, there's a bit of confusion part on the way based on the fact that we take an list. There's too many. Because him is a one the CPG,
Yeah.
but in his bicycle, but one at a time.
Yeah, okay.
Then for the sake of the viewers there today, can you define a sexy man? Now can you decide what you think is a sexy man? That guy, I can go for that guy. You haven't met and talked to that guy. You see him from a distance.
The thing about me, I don't particularly look at sexy men.
Okay.
Ne? So when I'm gonna talk about sexy men, I'm gonna
interesting, an interesting guy.
confused. Ne?
An interesting guy.
So what about the interesting guy?
You look at a guy and you feel like that guy is interesting. Describe what makes you think he's interesting.
Sometimes it depends. Sometimes it depends because you don't know a person. Maybe his smile or his eyes or something. There would be something that would make you think, oh wow, right, ne?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
maybe I wouldn't say I say Andy John G does a six pack. No, just and yes, guys, it's sometimes ne you meet someone ne yenzeka ne, and then your heart is like boo boo, and you're like what the hell, and then oh
Yeah.
my goodness, now we automatically throw up a smile. Then you know it's a combination. If somebody adlule, you have to look back. I always look back because the reaction. If it be mutual feeling, also look back. And then if you look back, I'm gonna look back. It's his job as a man to come to me.
Alright.
So when you're looking at somebody, right, from a distance, is that
Let's say you see somebody.
You're just seeing somebody ending you.
No, from a distance, how do you see an interesting guy that you would kind of like my potential guy?
He complicated the question, yeah.
It's not
Why? Because there are Mali involved.
No, it has got nothing to do with Imali at this point in time. The question was plain and simple. Your problem is Mali.
Yeah, is
So now, what attracts me to a person is how they dress. As well, it's very important because I'm a big interest.
what does it show? Trying to say it's in that way that you like.
It shows that you're in
What did
control.
Zaza say?
You're in control.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
What did she say?
that's very
What did
interesting.
she say? You look at what?
And how the guys dressed.
Dresses.
Oh,
So you're in
Shows you.
control.
What did you
Yes.
call it?
okay.
Hello? It doesn't matter.
No, I don't really look at.
It's important for me.
I don't really look at clothes, ne? Or like.
It's not about clothes. It's about how you are dressing your clothes.
Okay.
how you are putting together
Okay.
the things that you are wearing. It
What
doesn't matter.
What does it show you? What does it
It
show
shows
you?
the control that you
Control.
have over yourself. And then
Mm.
when I get closer to you, when you smell good, and use a love man that smells good.
Obviously.
Do you realize, Mama, this thing has had nothing to do with money. But now, let's say that guy there that looked eyes in your eyes and whatnot, and then he comes now, he passed you, Domza, and then now you look, and then he looks, and then he comes back to us.
Yeah,
and
ayizabheke umzothi
comes and
ayizabheke umzothi ne ndijonga ibhandi because ndimbona kahle ukufutshane kum ndijonga ibhandi ndijonga ihlangu.
but do you realize bangaba ngoku
When they
counteractor?
effort.
Wait.
Ndiyayijonga naleyo.
Ima wait. Uyaqaphela ngoba ngaba uphikisana nala nhliziyo yakho ibiqalile ukhangela i-reasons not to like this guy because you are trying to find out, okay, ujonga ibhandi lakhe, okay, ujonga izihlangu zakhe, and then what do those show you?
Because I'm not stylish, I dress well. So hence I didn't mention that up front. Hence I know myself, I've got style. So obviously when you look at the belt and you look at the shoes, you're looking at is this guy dressable? Can he compliment me? Should I want to pursue
So there's a type
or
of
should
company,
he pursue me?
Okay.
Exactly. And
I don't think
That's brilliant.
I think for me.
everybody has a type.
This
Yeah,
is
it's all
brilliant.
right.
Because now, do you see that you are at a point where you are almost, okay, this guy comes and approaches, you look at the belt, you look at the shoes, and then you have a small talk. Do you realize that there's nothing has got to do with money in all of this?
Exactly.
When does it intervene in money? He's a broke ass. You like the shoes, you like everything, you like every fucking shit.
No, if he's
That
a
you
broke,
saw.
if he's a broke ass,
He's a
it will
broke ass.
appear, and he's not my type.
When?
No, when did you realize he's not your type?
No,
You
I'm
saw him
saying-
as your type.
I'm saying Utwena, and then he's a broke ass.
Yes.
Once I discover that he is a broke ass, he is not worth my time and energy.
So I wanna.
He's not.
You know what?
He's not worth my
The
time.
questions, Your Honor.
So even if you go dressed like Lobe Mura
like
to
not
Domza.
really comment on.
No.
So your kind
I'll
that
do you
you
know?
see that is best.
I'm not in a story, guys. I'll tell you this.
So
So just hold on, guys.
I might forget.
Okay.
Even if you go to Domza dressed like Shaka Zulu. But the fact that Elena, when she sees that you are financially stable, then you become a type.
No,
That's what-
just hold on, guys.
Yeah.
Hold on. So,
Yeah.
so just hold on. Just
Don't
hold on.
worry about the shoes and the belt. I'm approaching her there like Shaka Zulu with just that.
Let me tell them that story as I pay Ops. At Ops, yo, busy Kamele Club. I used to DJ there. So this girl comes there and said, "Hi, there's a guy harassing us there." And I'm like, "Okay, tell Inatika
Bouncers,
E-Bouncers."
yeah.
I don't know. She's like, "I can't move here." We can't find the bouncers and stuff. She's calling another. She's okay, man. She's joking. Ingaboni bouncing. Yan kon ba yan sila bantwana
Abakhoseka.
no. Abayibonanga because bayibona bayijongile abayikhanga bayifumane yabo. Then apparently ndibuza ngubani lo uwenza le uniharasayo be dance floor. Xa bazama ukhomba bangamboni yabo. So ngiqonda okay, manifake ingoma engathi inde apha so that we attend the way.
Uzokwazi, yeah.
Yabo. Siningi xa zawatenda the way oyi-one angikrwacathi nankuya akhombe amkhombe nanku kwi-dance floor laa mfo ndimjonge qona ancile loo mfo yi-owner yalapha ndimxela ndibaxela abantwana ndijonge i-owner
And then I was doing about
uyambiza zange ndimbiza igama andisumbiza igama lakhe ndaxa ndiyathi ngubani igama lakhe i-owner yalapha bathi abantwana ithi jonga ke ngofo
perspective. I get you. I get you.
ndawuxela ibhansa qathathu asuwe somewhere yabo but the next thing tell move up abantwana nabo sebeyodansa phaa this is a true story. I was there and I'm like, that okay, it was a complaint not so long ago. Right now, they learned that this guy is an owner. So that thing of shoes and belt and everything and the look and how he dressed falls off the window.
Well,
It does to us when you never understand because when
understand, wait, because we are you get me?
So,
It's 2024 and there's no one that can wear that.
I mentioned in the other podcast
in the mall.
Nigerian guys there. You look at this guy, does this guy even know how to talk? Bruh, his lips are bruh, this nigga with some fine ass shit, bruh. You wonder how? Even communication with me and that guy, I can't even hear what he's saying. And I don't know how he even tells this woman, let's go and sleep. But so you're going to discuss guys.
It's fine. That's for you.
Why could you can get any woman in this world?
Because right now, we are trying to make justice over that podcast. We talk a whole lot of shit, of which it was biased. We are talking on behalf of guys, and then in mind, they were very narrow towards when we were biased towards guys. This is a platform for you guys to say, look, let's justify the girlfriend allowance. Let's justify it on Pedro.
No, if we're referring to Malum Kamelero, it's the same thing as girlfriend allowance.
Yes, it's the same thing. But its justification is there an amount that is applicable?
No.
At least
No, guys. It just depends, guys. There's also
you pay 2,000
pay 15,000. There's also again. Oh, okay, yes, taxi let's say like his club is out 12.5, there's also again salary, there's also again. Like Tina guys ngabantu abanjani thi ngabantu mazana sithanda ukukhutshwa. One, if when uyindoda nezumzekelo kule 12.5 yakho mna kule 50,000 yam uthi uba yeyam ndezumzekelo. If wena uze umundazi mos uyandibona nami istandard sam umgangatho wam istyle sam, how I carry myself, how I do things when you come to me ne. So when you were deciding to come to me, you were deciding to just come nje.
Maybe we're supposed to have a Zulu woman and a Pedro.
You understand? I don't know if you understand. A woman was made.
Maybe it's different.
Mamela, my friend. When a woman sometimes meets a man and she doesn't really, she's got no feeling, nothing, absolutely nothing, and just entertain you for fun. Talk to you for
sex?
fun. No, wait about sex when you in the bed. Like it's not about sex. Forget about sex. This has got nothing.
Every man wants sex.
We're not saying every man doesn't want sex.
That's what I'm telling you. Women
saying,
might not even want sex. Women might just want my money.
Exactly.
But
so
you know that
if you are a man, you want sex, and a man want your money, that means we're even 50-50. It's a draw. So what are we talking about?
So I don't want you to leave the sex.
No,
together. Don't badge. Once what you badge, sex is close by.
Tina, we understand that. If you are a man, Tina, what we understand that yeah, whatever. Tina, if you are a man and you understand that your woman needs to be spoiled, your woman will make sure now you get your sweets nothings. She will make sure that you get your sweets nothings.
What if now it's sweet nothings before the budget?
I don't know. Forget it.
And I know that I want the money. I want to see how much you are into me.
No, it depends. It depends from a woman's intelligence or persuading, or because men are weak, we know exactly where men are weak.
Where?
So we hold you here.
Where?
We hold you here.
Where, Domza?
Exactly. I know.
So
that's where
it's a fair statement, Domza, to say women in this world and this day and age as we live are just looking at the men and they see money
No.
and Tina.
We need to we need to rectify you from that. I'll rectify you from that, my friend. I'll go over and over trying to rectify you. When we see a man, we don't only see money. That's why you are wrong. And then when we get to talk,
you look at the belt,
exactly. I do look at the belt. I do look at the shoes. It's fine. It has got nothing to do whether he's got money or not. It may not. It may not say you might have one expensive belt and one expensive shoes. It doesn't mean that you have money. Do you understand?
True.
And Tina, when we see a man, it has got nothing to do with sex. Aren't you right? It has got nothing to do with sex. Zaza, does it have anything to do with sex to you?
No.
It has got nothing to do with sex.
So Zaza, can you date a man with no dick?
I get bad because
but Lendolin, we are not doing justice to this topic because
guys,
a lot of people.
I think they wanted a certain outcome. Ne?
No.
Yes.
No.
Because you keep on saying that we're not doing justice to the topic because you wanted a certain outcome. What outcome are you looking for?
You guys are saying yes to girlfriend allowance, ne?
Obvious.
So what are you looking for when?
I'm looking for justifications. Now I'm
we're not gonna justify it. We want to badge as women. That's it. And Tina, I agree with you. And Tina, we want to badge as women. That's it. It's either you are in or you are out. And the fact that you guys understand that if you are my man, let's say I love you and you are my man and you are not badgering me, and you see me at the club, who do you think is paying for my drinks? Another man. Aha. Watch out. So who was the one? Watch out. And then you want to call yourself my man. That means you are weak. You have other men taking care of your women.
John,
because if I had human better from you, I would drink your money at the club and then come home to you after that.
Must be like 15,000, yeah. So their tax, then you share it.
Yeah, 12.5. Yeah.
Who's a marine?
My friend. I'll go back, my friend, to what she said. What do you think it's okay for a woman?
Let me say 3,000 is okay for you.
3,000? I'm not gonna say no. Hear me how. But if I know you, you are my man, and you are struggling at some point.
Just want to
honor me. You've got a listening is a skill. My friend, I'm saying, if you are my man, let's say you give me 3,000, and knowing you are my man, and now I know your troubles. You give me 3,000, I'm not gonna say no. I'm gonna take the 3,000, and I'm gonna make sure 1,000 I know. That 1,000 in a way, it's still yours. Do you understand me? And now I'll spend the 2,000. And don't think that 2,000 I'm gonna spend it alone. I'll still spend that 2,000 you gave me to us. Yeah. I'll spend that 2,000 to us, and then on the do you understand me? So I'm kind of
now we are getting to
I'm gonna take that.
Yeah, but it's a
1,000
whole
rand.
different thing now that they're explaining.
But
They were talking about the upkeep.
You guys, it's because you guys think you understand. No, it's just that you guys think that Imali Bejo, you think it's for us alone. You don't know what we do in Imali Bejo, literally. As much as we know we want to do our nails, we want to take that money, go out to lie, if my man, I know, you know your man, and no, it doesn't have to work. You can give it to me just for me to have it, to make me feel and that makes me feel good. How when you never understand it because when you are a man.
Okay.
So and Tina, how we hence I said to you, even if we know the am shadile, undinika imali, once imali nditenza izinto zendlu kwathini kwangale kunike yona kuba i-condition izawuphela into ethile ndim
uthi yimo ipetrol ayikho you're the one who's popping.
Well, it's a bit different now from how you started.
Yes, Wayne, bahlobo ngalo Jones ne. Let's say like 3000 ndinika yona. Uzothatha 3000 1.5 ayibeke ecaleni so that whenever ancedise phana ngayo then 1500 ayibeke ecaleni. This means that usa protector i-50,000 yakhe. Ingasebenziswa yona kusetyenziswa yami imali.
Yeah.
So that mina ndingarani out of money ndingene kule 50,000 yakhe.
No, it's not like that.
It's very selfish.
It's not like that, Mzodidi.
And so I will bring a situation, but I don't want.
That's all, okay. That means Nyansi.
No, it's not like that. What I'm trying to say, Mzodidi.
Don't bring a situation. I want to bring to your attention that
exactly.
Yes.
Mamela Mzodidi ne. Uyazi thina ndizama ucacisa uba ndifuna uza kwi-route wena zazi uba singabantu abanjani. As much as bane, you can think into about amateur at some point as selfish. We only want to gain tina in a way. Do you understand? Hence I said before, because I mean that imali yam yam. But it doesn't mean that when I say imali yam, when you don't benefit with imali yam, I'll still make sure if you know idingayo, imali yam. There's something guy. If she short again, once if we are you
must do something very nice, very special in order for a woman.
It has got nothing to do. It has got nothing to do with sex. Believe you.
Sex is there. So she sex.
And she says.
Because one thing to their phone, there's going to be a problem in that house.
You guys, near phone. Mamela guys, man, phone lungis. Tina matches about to join now. For 20 years, only 4 years are 400 million years. No, because to us, it's not about sex.
It's a man.
It's not about money necessarily.
Money.
If it's about time, when they're tired, go to the phone I could stay. It's because they're tired. It's not about sex necessarily. It's not about money. It's about sometimes a lot of things. Zinto ezininzi factors ezininzi enina elicimba zingaphandle usenakwenza into yoba uyanifonyoza ujonge umzekelo uyafonyoza awubheji but still ndiyakuthanda ndenza umzekelo yikhombe week bakhona amatshela anjalo uyafonyoza awunamali but still awuphangeli nophangele ke ndikuzama ngayo yonke into in all we zonke we expect
desperate.
Hence this
unamali uyafonyoza
uyayiva
desperate.
Abanye abantu kaloku wena wena Mzodidi ne they are afraid to be alone.
Yes.
They are not confident that they can. It's okay or to be on their own and not have a man. Yeah. So ke ngoku bekho ke ngoku abanye abantu bakwaziyo noma with my life does not depend on Windot. I can live my life and I can still.
We had a fruitful discussion with Umzo when we did this Mbejo thing. Today we're struggling because we four of us not agreeing to certain factors, but basically
no, the thing is you want us to agree.
Not allowing each other to finish a statement.
Okay.
We're not advocating what it's a wrong thing for men to put papeje.
Yeah.
It's a good thing to do that. You should do that. But we get an inquiry when and why and how much is it supposed to be done? And when you are doing it, why are you doing it? And when you do it. Because if I'm going to give you this money, it's just now that you told me, I can keep it in the ends of risking and give you money for petrol. Well, I didn't know it can go to that extent.
It can go to that.
We thought, or naturally, women will take that money, go and do their nails, their eyebrows.
This guy has it.
That's what we know. Because money I want to. So this is what we are told.
That's where I said
when just come from the
is what informs you. Because now you are talking about the people that you have met. When you are saying that those things that you are saying, you are talking about the people that you have been with or met. Because when you are commenting from that point of view, you are saying that this is what I understand. This is what women are talking about. No,
so we are having this debate to get an understanding with the female version of you guys.
I get you.
What?
We want to learn.
What to learn. What we have an understanding. What is this?
But I don't feel like you are open to learning. You are.
That's where I'm going now.
And I don't feel like you are open.
And secondly, you just want to hear what you want to hear.
Yeah, because you want to hear
at the same time, we're not going to allow you to lie to us. That's the other problem.
No, that's the other thing. That's not lying.
That's where.
Because we know women love money. That's a fact.
Yeah, that's a fact. But
women
we need to also rectify you. It's not always the case.
You see, you are generalizing.
You are generalizing, and it's not always the case.
It's probably just the two of you do not like money.
Yeah,
we
do like money.
You mentioned that you look at a man, belt, shoes.
There's nothing wrong.
That's the idea of trying to understand the finance status of the man.
The person who's looking at my belt, who's looking at my shoes, who's looking at whatever I'm wearing, they're looking at the money. They agree on that. The way he dresses, it means that he can take care of things.
Yes.
She's trying to be diplomatic, but still money.
Control.
That's still money.
He's
in control of his finance.
Control himself.
So we want that.
Why must we be about the dress?
You control.
What if you know there's AmaZulu babe sitsho ulanika away?
Hayibo those are clothes so ngizawungena mina ndiyazi ngoba kwenzeka ntoni kuya lo mhlawumbe uzowucacisa yena.
Just impahla ezithathu siba ukontrol umuntu. Impahla ezinjani?
So by the end of the day, women want a man who can what? What's the term they use? They want a man who can provide. And what is the basic term of provision? He has to be financially stable so that he can provide. So the finance part still plays a very, very vital role. So in order,
how do you think you go when you don't have money these days? How do you think do you deserve to have a woman when you don't have money?
I have love.
You have love yourself.
Before white people came,
love yourself so that
before white people came to Africa, there was no money, and people.
People had petals. They lived happily. They had everything that they needed. Women were not struggling. They had everything. They had crops, everything that they were provided for. And men in those days, those were the real men with the real love, not Nina and Yafeba.
So let's agree there's no more love.
You are favoring.
So are we now
we need to also get to a point where you understand that you are favoring. And in the fact that you are favoring,
then we split ways.
The women that you will meet that will provide you that, those are the women. They're in Long Street.
Then you need to look for your kind.
You look for your kind. That's your kind.
No, women are the same.
No, not so that. Get it right. We are not the same.
But those women want money also.
Yeah,
they're selling.
Women,
they're selling on the street.
All women want money. It's just that they want it, some direct, some indirect.
No, it just
someone
depends.
Someone
No, it just depends on how you're looking at it, Wayne. Women are born this way and they'll forever be like this.
And men have got to a point where they understand that women love money.
Yeah, it's
So
fine.
they've got a budget for women.
Exactly. There's nothing wrong
And
with
what do men want from women? So we've got this exchange program. for
There's no
women.
exchange program here. There's no exchange program because they are broke ass men. They still get women. So you understand?
What kind of women do they get?
They get weak women who can't think.
I think all men want weak women then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then this world will be
But men can't stand weak women, eh? Because men also want women that who can think.
Yeah.
Those weak women still they don't get to anywhere because men want women that are intelligent, women who are precise, women who know how to think and absolutely know what they want. So still it gets to a point where we can't emphasize enough to you way that Bejo will always be mandatory for a man. It's a sign.
Very few men agree though.
No, broke ass men won't agree. Those are broke men, and they need to sleep at their mother's houses. That's what they need to do because they can't afford.
So those who can afford, where do they sleep?
They've got no business. They sleep beside their women
and get sex.
They get everything that they deserve as men. They get spoiled by their women.
Okay. Let's just okay, guys. All right, thank you, Domza. Thank you, Wayne. Thank you, Zaza. Just in a few statements now that I'm going to. You know what?
You're done. Peace.
You know, she was done a long time. She was like, "Now I'm throwing my towel now."
I am done.
I'm done.
All
right.
guys.
Guys.
Speak the same thing.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. Here's the outcome of this podcast.
Is there an outcome?
There is no outcome, but what I've discovered. This is me. But if we are in closing now, that men have been from eons
Absolutely.
of time, from the beginning.
Yeah.
My son asked
from the beginning.
Mana, what does
But
that mean?
why do now they want us to mention it? We know that it's our role that we're going to provide.
Yeah.
But now, it's
just that some of
allowance by underline.
It's just that some of the men are slacking. They become slacking. They are not heading up the homes. They don't seem like real men. We have lost the essence of real men. That's why we will demand. What are the challenges?
The challenge is we are in the 21st century.
Exactly.
And then we are in a world where women have taken over. Men are like...
Oh, wow. We thought this is a men's world, eh?
All right, I rest my case. Guys, okay.
Okay, guys. So I wanted to say... All right. Yes, I just wanted to say that I feel like you guys are very closed up and you wanted to hear what you wanted to hear.
Okay.
And you expected us to say like I don't know what you expected us to say. Like benifuna sithethe into enifuna uyiva. But yeah, we didn't. And yeah, I would appreciate that you guys try and open up, try and be kind of open to conversations and try to hear people out from their point of views, because we all have different point of views, right? And we don't come with a staunch idea, this is what I understand about women. That's not all women. So it's women, yes, but it's women in different sectors. So now you need to understand that there are people that believe in different things in life. So we need to learn to kind of separate that and understand. Even me as a person, I understand that there are different men that believe in different things, right? So that doesn't isolate the fact that I'm sitting here and I'm listening to you guys, and I understand you guys from where you're coming from. If you get what I'm saying. So it's important to also kind of get to a space of understanding people from where they're coming from and not try to want to get them to your side and make them understand you as men, but for them to say their opinion and you accept the opinion that they come with. So that's my recommendation. But I enjoyed being here, and I appreciate you guys
Thank you
for
so much.
opening the floor for conversations.
And for annoying you.
Yes, please and thank you.
Let's hope it's not the wine talking now.
It's everything talking.
All right. Okay. Jamal. Okay, wait to.
So you see, now honestly speaking, I was expecting it to be more interesting and more active and more interactive with them present, but from point go, they started not to agree on their own as Mandela, and now we got lost.
It says a lot about women.
I should agree.
No.
Is that what you think?
Can I finish? I want already. He's saying a lot of it now.
Call us.
So
Just asking. Yeah.
can I finish? So now the debate now took a different turn now, where Zaza was saying she doesn't agree to what she was saying, and she thought things should happen in this way. But when you look at it, they basically were saying the same things, but probably Zaza and she was taking in different tones. She wanted to take a different route to get to where they are all supposed to be. I wanna, and personally, I did not get to get irresponsible difuna about Umbejo, because I wanted to understand why Sibeja and how much and when and at what point.
I'm not here to answer that.
They brushed it off and said, no, a proper man who is intelligent and knows what he's doing is supposed to know that he's a provider and Miller provide. And then now I was left hanging. I don't understand. Am I providing already, or in the Aleka somewhere? I didn't get a conclusion to what I wanted. And Udomza, again, there's a point that she said, if you're a man, you're a broker's nigga, go and sleep. Go and sleep. Now where? Go to your mama's house, alone.
Guys,
Guys, is this what the world is still?
where are we?
And there's a point I tried to put across. Okay, I'm done with the Doms, and now it's another point now. There's a point now I want to put across. Guys, let it try love. I said it doesn't exist
For
anymore.
you.
No.
Personally.
We're not deciding. Okay.
If you guys in your thinking think you are in love and somebody's loving you, well, fine, but
Personal to you.
let me tell you, the love that was there 20 years ago does not exist. When you meet a woman, she looks at your belt and your shoes,
Yeah, obvious.
and she wants to check your financial status. If you can afford her, then you proceed. If you don't, then you are no one.
Selective in you.
Jonga, guys.
And the men that we have today, they look at a woman, they see Nani, then they get what they want. In a way, they pay the matter. I gave an example of you see a Nigerian man that you think does he even know how to talk. You see him with some fire-ass chick that you can't even greet, but the nigga is pushing that chick because of his financial status. We have discussed this before, if you want to be frank. That, okay, I'm done.
I'm so glad that way is done. Because So I need to answer him. I'm sorry.
No, we're not answering each other.
No,
We are giving closing statements.
Now I'll refer to what Zaza said, that Wayne wanted to hear what he wanted to hear. And when he heard something different, a woman's perspective and understanding, he was like, no, this is not it. And now I want to hear this. And it's fine. I'll go back and is it reiterate?
Yes, reiterating.
That I stand by what I said, that if you are a man and you are broke, go to your mother's house and sleep. You do not deserve to be with any woman. That means you are not capable of being a man and actually providing for your woman. I'll go to what Wayne said, that how much is Umbejo, what is Umbejo for, and so on and so on. He wants us to go back to the root. Umbejo, I've mentioned this. I said, in my mind, Umbejo is an apology in advance for favor.
I don't want it.
So you're gonna favor, and I must still.
But what
And
about
just hold on.
just hold
Just hold on.
What about you doing
Imam sorted. Asikwazi ngathi favor kulo ndawo hleli. Anyway, asithetha ngawo unless bafuna specific. Asikwazi ukufavor njani ngo. Awumazela bulala nomzo wena. Awulala nomzo wena. Tyhini. So apho ndiyakhona yinto yobana Umbejo into ephuma enhlizweni nyani yendoda. Indoda ekubonayo wena as a woman, how you look, how you dress, what you do, where you hang out, and then he feels it is a necessity for you to have some extra money from him as a gift, so that you can be able to, or spoil you, so that you can be able to do and the things that you need to do. Umbejo is a money. It's a money. If you are a woman and you already have things that we have and do like nails, hair, looking good, him coming into your life and spoiling you, it's just for him to say, I get you and I am going to maintain that. Then if he's not willing to maintain that, I'll still say go sleep at your mother's house. We're not about that life. Umbejo still plays is it a vitality in a woman's life?
Yeah, no.
It plays a great vitality. Is it a vitality?
Yeah.
I don't know English that well.
But what I'm getting from what you're saying, Donza, is that if I see you, I see your standard that you've maintained.
Exactly.
And I come and approach you. It means that I'm brave enough to maintain that standard.
Exactly. Therefore, maintain it properly, financially and otherwise. Because you're gonna want to you want to maintain that standard physically, lovically, and financially. Am I wrong, Joey?
Donza, you maintain one money.
Oh, I can maintain myself.
Why not continue because I like what I see. What does it continue maintaining yourself?
No,
now you've got a break.
It can continue like that, né? Now stay away typically. It's okay.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right.
Okay. Close, guys. Thank you so much. It's Sagas of Couplehood on YouTube. Umzo, Odomza. We had visitors today. It was a heated debate, but we enjoyed it. Thank you guys for coming. Though I just had a new English word, typically. We learn every time.
Hey!
Not the last time you see them.
And we need if I what's it?
Google.
What's another? It's Google and that
You now find it.
We should.
I will get the creator that
So some of us I think we like typically or we were gonna miss typically. Hey, Siabulela man, for you guys always to support us and listen to this podcast. Please go to our podcast and like and subscribe. Sagas of Couplehood on YouTube. Thank you so much. Sabah.
Peace.
Bye. See ya.